Hey guys, it's the fifth day of Christmas. Sorry I'm a little 5 minutes behind today. We just wrapped up my stamp technique class at my house. And today we are going to make these cute, I call them dogs, cats, bears, houses. They're from the Jolly Delivery Suite. And we're making some cute tags. I love it. So I don't know about you, but tags are tags are something that I love to make, and I sometimes don't have them made in time for Christmas. So I'm not gonna lie, sometimes this year's presents are made from last year, and that's okay. So a lot of times I design a bunch of tags and then finish them up after Christmas. But today we're going to make some tags that are so easy that you could knock these out before Christmas. Look, guys, it's only December 5th, so take a chill pill. My name is Cogbill, and my business is called Paper Made Prettier. Sorry, I didn't have this written out before because I just got done with class at my house. And we're making Jolly Delivery tags. Today is the 5th day of Christmas of 12 days. So, and it's the 5th day that we're going to open up the Advent calendar and see what's inside. Again, my name is Kay Cogbill. I would love it if you followed me on Facebook and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss another video. I do videos every Wednesday at 1 Central, but also the 12 days of Christmas are here. So you'll be wanting to watch those every day, every weekday. I won't be on during the weekends, but every weekday. And then remember that when you put in an order of $50 or more, you're going to get 33 holiday tutorials for lots and lots of Christmas projects. You can see all of these cards, even more in my box here. So if you're not finished with your Christmas cards and you need some quick inspiration, pop your order in and I'll email you those 33 Christmas tutorials. We're on day 5. I'll show you day 4, 3, 2. This is day 4. We made a gorgeous delicate pines card. On day 3, we made a chocolate packet. We also made on day 2 a little holiday card and also a holiday card on day 1. Today we're popping up tags. Now I saw this idea to use the everyday arches dies to make cards. Whenever I saw these dies, I knew they were going to be popular. I think they've sold out like 5 times. They're very popular and they come with a set of 10 dies that nest inside of each other. So I've got multiple sets. The biggest one fills a whole card front and it goes all the way down to this little one that is great for labels. So kudos to Stampin' Up! For figuring that out. So what you want to do is just get some real red and garden green, or any red and green. Poppy Parade would work too. And just cut alternating pieces of red and green. So you can double it up, run this through, like some of them can be red with green, some of them can be green with red. So your 2 larger dies, and then your smaller die, you're going to run white, 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 white. Okay? So that's simply how you get the base of your tag, is with these everyday arches. And then what we're going to use to make our cuteness of our tags is the Jolly Delivery designer paper. So this is all I have left of multiple packages of Jolly Delivery. But it was this really precious holiday paper with dogs and cats and critters and just so adorable. I made a Stamp-A-Stack with it. This is one of your tutorials that you'll get free with a $50 purchase. But you can see these cute little cards that we made with it. So adorable. But we're going to take the little punch outs. So there's 2 sheets of die cuts. There's this this sheet that has cars, houses, mailboxes, and little letters. And then this sheet had a ton of critters. I've already kind of popped a bunch of them off. So see if they ended up. There's a little corgi. Anywho, we've got a lot of critters. We've got some cute dogs. So precious. All right, so if you bought this paper, you might not have used all of the little punch outs in it. And so we're going to make tags. I've got a few punch outs here. Okay, so like I said, you're going to use your red and your green to make the base. So boom, boom. Box out here. So I've got a red and a green, and we're just going to pop those onto each other. Isn't that cute? And then we're going to start with our white. Now, I'm going to make a dog card, a dog tag, because we have a cat one here. We don't want to offend our dog lovers. So let's decide which one we're going to use. He's really cute, but he's also cute. I'm just going to have to make another tag, but we're going to go with this one next. Okay, so I love, since he's carrying these presents, I love the stamp in the set that says special delivery. And it's just teeny enough that you can pop it in onto your tag. I love it when you can just sneak your sentiment into it without having to do a whole banner. Now, you could also use your triple banner punch and make quick banners, but if I'm making tags, I want them to be quick, right? And you can see how quickly this comes together. And then we're going to pop our little cup up with dimensionals. This looks like my sister's dog, Noelle. It doesn't have the red markings, but it does have the makings of the dog. And then we're going to take a hole punch and just punch a hole. This is called a crocodile. I don't even know what it's called. It's something that I got. But you just need a hole punch. And then we have our garden green and garden green chevron ribbon. This goes with the Hobby Haven suite. And it is perfect for Christmas. So don't be thinking that you can use only Hobby Haven stuff with the Hobby Haven suite. Look for things that go for Christmas. And when I saw that green ribbon, I knew exactly what I was going to be using it for. All right, so we're going to tie a little tag. You can tie it like this if you stick your tags on, or you can tie it like this if you just hang them on. So just doesn't matter. And then the last thing we're going to do is embellish with these cute deer dots. And he's got a lot of red and green, so we're going to go with that. And I like to do 3 because 3 lets our eyes rest. And since he has some pool party in him, I'm going to go ahead and pop a pool party on there. Okay, so 6 cute tags. Now, I made these in 20 minutes tops, because you can whip out all those die cuts and then pop out your, what do you call them, die cut pieces. You can make a box. Now, for these smaller die cuts, like this cat, I would stick a little letter behind it. Okay, that kind of fills in the white space there. But most of the punch outs fit that area. Okay, so let me pop around and show you some other things. So today at home, at my house, we had our stamp technique class. We learned the blackout technique using Secret C. It's not too late to sign up for this. You can participate on this as a to-go. We're also meeting in Central Arkansas next Friday at 7 p.m. So if you're local, you can just message me on Facebook and say you want to participate in this. It's so fun. Every month we learn new techniques, and this technique is called the blackout technique. All right, and let me pop into our Don't forget about the Cyber Monday sale on paper pumpkin. So I think my flyer, I showed my flyer at class and I bet it got buried. Let's see. Yeah. Anyway, oh, here it is. So remember that you can get the prepaid paper pumpkin for $20 off for the 3 months, $40 off for the 6 months, and then $80 off for the 12 months. And paper pumpkin is just a fully inclusive craft kit that comes in a box. In the mail, it has a stamp set, it has a block, and stamps so that you can make some cute projects every month. So what a deal that you can get gifts for people on a discount until the 9th. So don't delay. And then keep in mind that if you're ordering from me or yourself, you want to make sure that your order goes up to $75 so that you can get this product of the month for only $5. So that is super exciting. That started December 1st, so don't miss out on that. I hate for someone to be close to that level and then miss it if they don't know. All right, let's see what's in the Advent box. I've got projects made with the first 4 days of Advent. We've got this cute little gift box with a card on top. I put some chocolate inside. That was for day 1. For day 2, we added our designer paper. We have a little mini card. And then for day 3, we have a stepped up card that has the gold embellishments on it. That was in our box. And I'm finishing off day 4 right before I got on here. I was like, you know what? We're just going to finish that live because I realized I was late and I didn't want to be later. So let's finish this off. So keep in mind that your 12 days of Advent calendar comes with a stamp set, which that's not it. It's really right in front of me. Oh, yay. All right, so 12 days of crafting, and we've got this gorgeous flower, but we need a big flower. And we're going to stamp it in Misty Moonlight. And then this flower center, we want to use Daffodil Velvet. I've crafted more and covered it up. How about we go crushed curry? It doesn't matter. Just in yellow will do. I will tell you that this cardstock back here is Daffodil Delight, if this works as well. And now we're going to run this flower through our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Now, if you order 75 or more from me, or if you order the Advent calendar, because it's $99, you're going to get, when I'm finished with this series, you're going to get 12 days of Advent tutorials from me to go with this Advent calendar. So if you were not sure what to do with it, I'll have 12 ideas for you. I also found 12 ideas on the Stampin' Up! Website today. So that's 24 ideas that you can have for the Advent calendars. And I'll try to remember to pop that other thing that Stampin' Up! Gave us into my email newsletter. So if you're watching this and you're like, where does she get all of these, where can I find out the measurements for all these cards that she's doing? Well, all you need to do is subscribe to my email list. So you can do that by clicking the link that I put on this on this post. I will put it on this post. And we just need some white ribbon. Sometimes Facebook Live is perfect and, okay, let's be honest, it's never perfect in polished, but sometimes it's truly live. And today you get an after stamp cup, so it is truly live. So we're going to add a white bow from the Misty Moonlight White combo pack. This is one of my favorites. There's 5 yards of each, so you probably want to go ahead and grab 2 when you order it. And we're just going to pop this up. Put that in the dot. And then we're going to add some gold embellishments. Alright, so we're just going to put tiny, okay, trust me, because I learned it the hard way. Tiny dots of glue where you want these gold embellishments. So we're going to put 5 on there. And this is a good time to grab take your pick tool, which shockingly I have right by me. Okay, so we're going to pick up these gold embellishments. And drop that right on your tiny glue dot. These gold embellishments are so pretty. I mean, don't we love gold? Gold goes with everything, right? It's the most amazing neutral that we have, but especially, I think it brings out these colors and it just makes it sparkle. All right, so we have our 4th day of Advent project done. Now let's see what's in the box for day 5. I can't wait. I'm on live with y'all, so I'm finding out what's in it at the same time y'all are. Alright, I really worked hard not to go online and see what it is. Ooh la la, what do we have here? We have a little floral set of decorative masks and a sweet little brush. I like this. I'm going to definitely be playing with this for tomorrow. I'm going to show you a pretty project with that. Alright, so thanks for watching my 12 Days of Christmas. Don't forget that when you spend $50 or more, you're going to get 33 holiday tutorials from me. And when you spend $75 or more, you're going to get all 12 Advent tutorials. Plus, you'll get the product of the month, which is the True Blue Florals Designer Paper. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.